Welcome back. Got some good news, guys. It's some big news up here in the Deprey family. Since we had an RV and we know so much about RVs, and I've always worked on my friends and I know a ton about them. I can like fix anything on an RV. You know, besides the engine, I mean, I'm not a mechanic as in, you know, tearing apart the motor. I can't do that, obviously, but I can fix all the interior stuff, generator, the awnings, put new awnings on, slide seals, you know, I can do all that stuff, adjust the slides, hot water tanks. This is easy stuff for me. So I figured, why not just start an RV repair business? So we did. We put one up like overnight, literally, and we're Deprey RV Repair. So if you go on Facebook, it's Deprey RV Repair is the Facebook page. So go ahead, you guys, do me a favor and go ahead and go to that page, and if you can hit the like button, that'll help me out a lot. That'll get us started, get us rolling. So if we have 16,000 subscribers on here and everybody hammers down that like button, well, that'll help us out a lot. Which we're not going to have everybody do it, but if you can do it, that'd be nice. But the exciting news I want to tell you is not only will we keep showing you how to build smaller homes and save money, I'm going to bring this camera on RV calls. So you're going to see me fix and repair RVs, because a lot of our subscribers have an RV. So you're going to see how to repair it, so you're going to learn a lot. So not only we're going to learn building tiny homes and, you know, larger homes that are 800 feet. They're not large homes, but they're larger than tiny homes. You're going to have a small house. You're going to learn how to build those in high-tech, efficient way to do it. You're also going to have RV repair. So you're going to get both in this one thing. So you're going to see Heather, you're going to see the homes, you're going to see RV repair, you're going to see it all, guys. Go ahead into that link, help me out. That'd be a big help if you can just click the link below to my new page on Facebook and just hit the like button on the right-hand side. And what would really help me is if you invited all your friends to that page. If you hit like and you hit see more friends and then select all and select all your friends to check out the page, that would be like killer help for me. Well, I just want to do a fast update on what's going on. I've been working hard to start this business. I decided to purchase a ladder. I'm using the S10 for now. I'm putting a truck cap on it. I'm trying to find a truck cap. I got like 5 guys looking for a cap right now, like a utility cap where I can put ladders on it. But I bought a foldable ladder for inside the truck. I'm kind of excited. And I got a little generator for it so I can have power on the road. I can put my drills in it. And it's going to lock real tight. And of course, everything's insured. So I'm going to get I'm going to get the insurance to work on RVs, and that's it. I mean, it's very basic. I already got a 188 number, so it's a toll-free number you guys can call, and it's going to be local. It's going to be in Western North Carolina, so the western area around North Carolina. I'll give you the details later. There's more details on the website, and I got the domain DepreyRVRepair.com. So if you go to DepreyRVRepair.com, it'll bring you to the page too. Mr. Allen helped me out. He's a great guy. He helped me out with the encouragement to start the business. We've owned a business for 15 years. Heather has a paralegal business. I have a computer. Both have a computer business, and Joe runs a lot of the calls. So he can kind of run that on its own. That's pretty easy business to do. It's all remote computer repair. We've been doing it so long we can do it with our eyes closed. It's very simple business. So he's going to do that, and then I'm going to run the RV business, RV repair, and she is going to do her paralegal stuff. She probably will only do a couple calls a week on paralegal, couple of jobs a week, maybe 1 or 2, and then I'll do the repair, because I'm going to need Joe to answer the phones for my repair business and her. But I already got a 1888 number, and I already have the number, so I just forwarded it to my cell phone, so it's real easy. I was already paying for it, so it makes it real easy. A lot of stuff I already have: the truck, the number, the tools. I can blow out the heaters, the hot water heaters. I can flush them out. I can do just about anything. So I have all the tools, which is really good. So I have everything. I even have a little generator if I want to, a little Honda, so I can put it in there and have my own power. So it's really cool. But check out his site, Alan's site. I'm going to put a link below with his cool solar setup. He has solar in his RV. We got together before. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put his channel link underneath it. So go to his channel and subscribe, because he's a good guy and he shows you a lot of tips on RVs. Even if you don't have an RV, or even if you're not a full-timer, go check it out. He's a good guy. Check it out. Have a good one. We'll update you probably tonight or tomorrow, and we'll go from there. See you guys.